Over at Half Mile Lake, to everyone's relief, a good couple of rainy days has allowed the water level to be brought back to normal, just in time for peak season. The residents are all delighted to have their lake back, none more so than the Californian sea lions. Now the big day is finally here, as the first of the new safari boats arrives at the park. 65 feet long and seating over 100 passengers, the boat is purpose-built to suit conditions on the lake, and crammed with state-of-the-art features. Getting the 26-ton vessel safely onto the water is a big operation. Safari Park boss Keith Harris is glad that all the commotion isn't upsetting the residents.
Nico, the brother, he's been watching what's going on, but then they're used to seeing us getting boats in and out of the water, so it's nothing new. It's just lovely to see her going off up the lake now.
As with all boats, this one will need extensive trials before the public can be allowed on board. But soon, both new boats will be ready to make their maiden voyages.